Here at Missouri Star, we know that there are lots of different ways to create, and one of the ways that I love to create is embroidery, and I am so excited to be able to bring you everything that I know about stitching and learn together with you all the new things that there are out there to learn. I think that embroidery is going to be so fun and creative. It's a great way to embellish projects. It's something that we can put on our quilts and our little bags, our clothes, anything for home decor. I think that it's going to be really fun to learn together and to just have fun enjoying this new creative outlet. So join us here at Missouri Star to learn more about embroidery and to get creative with us. We hope that you'll have fun and be inspired and stay and stitch with us.